minimum wage jobs too, man, because minimum wage jobs want way too much out of you. They never think you earned the money that you made. Like, if you're not dead at the end of a shift, they don't want to pay you. If you're not bleeding from your face, you didn't earn that $10.75. Like, when I was working at Starbucks, at the end of every shift, my manager would go, look, Nathan, I know you just worked 9 hours, okay? But is there any way you could stay an extra 15 minutes? Because Starbucks is really busy right now, and we could use your help. Wow, Starbucks needs my help right now? This store made $80,000 today, okay? I made 45 bucks. I'm leaving right now, okay? And I'm stealing a fucking latte on the way out of this place. Like, what an arrogant thing for a billion-dollar company to say to somebody, we need your help. I just picture when they say that the CEO of Starbucks is flying in a golden jet, golfing Fabergé eggs onto the homeless.